If you are using the WooCommerce plugin for your WordPress website, then this is for you. Save time and avoid paying someone else to handle these tasks. This system lets you automatically save orders to a Google Sheet, and it can do even more. It also helps you send emails to your buyers, notifying them about your latest products at specific times that you choose. Everything runs automatically, so while your site is active, you don't have to worry about managing it. You'll also receive an email notification whenever someone buys a product. But that's not all. In another Google Sheet, only the product names and prices are stored. This helps you easily track your sales and analyze which product sells the most. You'll also get email summaries showing your total amount over a set period. For example, if you made 7 sales at $10 each, the system will calculate that automatically and send you a report by email. You don't need to stress about it. It simply works for you without any extra effort.